Okay, I have some revised layouts for the kitchen. Look at the 3D view first. 42-inch fridge, which pushed the hood over about 6 inches, narrowed up these cabinets, obviously pushed the range over. Don't know where you want your beverage fridge. Thought this would work good here or against this pantry cab. Your sink, which is still centered on the island, dishwasher, and microwave. So front of the island, 158 long. I believe there's 12-inch deep cabinets, yep, on the back. So this is the back of the island. Sink is centered on the island, shown there. Your dishwasher, model number, microwave. Now this cabinet's 36.5, which is more than we need for this, being the microwave's only 29 wide. But our hands are tied with keeping the sink on center. So there will just be some, if that's 36 minus 30, about 3-inch wood pieces on either side of the microwave, which is quite typical. Yeah, they've got a wood frame around this, so that section there would be about 3 inches wide. Trash, 3 drawers. The pantry, when you walk in from the outside on the right, that's that layout. Hood wall, 42-inch built-in, 48-inch range, and your hood at 52 for your liner. So the center of this hood, let's see, center position from right is 53 3/16 from this corner here. Spice pull out, tray divider, 3 drawer stack, standard upper cabs here. And then your pantry wall. I know we've got the soffit going on here. Beverage fridge with the panel on it. That's our layout here. And these are, I think, 6 inches. Yeah, 6 inches off the corner. Yeah, right there. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.